So these yellow highlighted days here are the days I have selected in my property settings page, which are my start days for full week bookings. But if I wanted to ad hoc disable or enable a start day here, which means that I could either enable it for a guest to arrive as a one-off on this date, or disable it, which means that a guest cannot arrive or depart on this date. So to enable or disable and then delete, I'm just going to show you how I do that. So I click on it to enable, and there's a pop-up to show me that the start day has been enabled, so I just need to click OK. Then we can now see this is highlighted, so this is available for a start date on the front end calendar. Now if I want to disable it, I'd click again, and it shows me the start day has been disabled. Click OK, and now I can see there is a red block stopping that from being a start or an end day on my front end calendar. Previously, if you then clicked on this again, it would just enable the day again as a highlighted start day. But we realised that sometimes it's either a mistake made, or you simply have just changed your mind on having this as a enabled start day or end day. So to delete it, you simply just click on it again, and it will say start day deleted. So you click OK, and now we can see it's gone and it's gone back to normal. Thank you.